Hi fellow crypto enthusiasts. So how many of you have come across the roadmap of this Dogecoin? How many of you have been able to see the roadmap of this Dogecoin? This simply means how many of you have seen when it's going to start, or when it started, and when it is going to end. Well, it's stated clearly on your website that claim Doge tokens before the holiday season is over. It's evident that these guys, or claiming of Doge coins, is going to be over just very soon. Okay, it's unclear how many you have, how many Doge coin you claimed, but need to know that people are claiming millions. If you look at the leaders dashboard, you will notice that people are claiming millions. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to claim more Dogecoin before the holiday season is over. Okay, now I've been able to explain to you how you can be able to connect your wallet and earn some money directly into your crypto wallet. Okay, so in this part of the video, we're gonna see how you can earn more while the holiday season is still on and before it gets over. Okay,
So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online. Okay, we share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle. All right, we equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry. Okay, now just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos. All right, these videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online. Okay, and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay,
alright, so in this part of the video, we're gonna see how we're going to be able to claim more Dogecoins. Okay, more Dogecoins before the holiday season is over. Okay, alright, so in order for you to claim more Dogecoins, it's quite easy. First, kindly note that you can access this airdrop or this bot anytime on our Telegram channel. Okay, the link to this post is going to be shared in all our videos, or in most or all of our videos. Most videos talking about Dogecoin, you're going to find a link in the description, and if you find a link, click on the link. It's going to take you directly to our Telegram channel, where you'll be able to find the bot. Okay, so at any point in time, whether you cannot find the bot or not, whether you cannot you don't know where you kept the bot link, I need to know that you can always find it on our Telegram channel. Okay, it's only on this channel where you can find it. I've made it public and everybody can find it. Okay, so any point in time on daily basis, you can just hover over our channel and click on this text message which is written here. This is the Dogecoin, and then you access the Dogecoin. Okay, all right, so let's say you access the Dogecoin and you've been able to make some money, or you want to make some money from the Dogecoin. You want to claim some Doge on daily basis. So let's try to access the Dogecoin. Okay, so I'll click on start, allow that to send that. So I click on start. Okay, as you can see, I've claimed this much of coin, and all these coins I think was not from clicking on the claim button. I also claimed from friends. Okay, so you need to know that yeah, you have tasks that you have to do on daily basis, like you have to join groups, you have to invite friends, you have to invite 10 friends, you have to invite 100 friends. Now any moment you invite any of these numbers or perform any of these tasks, you're gonna get a whole lot of coins. As you can see, all these are attributed to some amount, which you can clearly see on this video. Okay, so when you complete any of these tasks, you're gonna earn the coin. Now you can monitor how many friends you have, so that you can know, okay, you are fit to claim maybe 10 maybe some for 10 friends, or for one friend. You can know how many friends you have from this button, from this option. So you have to just click on friends, and then you're gonna see how many friends you have. As you can see, I currently have 60. Therefore guys, if you look at the tax, I've passed all these other tax and I've claimed the coins. It's remaining these other tax, which if said that I need to invite 100 friends to gain 71,428 dogs. Okay, so guys, click on the link that I shared in the description of this video and access the bot, so that I can be able to claim this much of coins. Okay, and just in case you want me to help you in order for you to claim some coins, I could share your link on our Telegram channel and people will access it. Okay, all right, so guys, make sure to claim as much dog as possible. Okay, now you can monitor your airdrop from here. Like withdrawals and so on. Okay, Okay, so once this holiday season is over, coins will be available, and I think you're gonna be able to earn. As you can see, withdrawal is going to be open within the next 21 days. Okay, so that is all for today, and bye bye for now. If you have any question, let me know in the comment.